In this video, I'll detail how to fix not receiving notifications on iPhone until I open app. So if you have an application whose notification you want to keep receiving on your iPhone, but the notification is not coming up just like this, or you do not receive alert for the notifications until you go ahead and open the application like the Facebook, Gmail, Snapchat, or Instagram. This could even be on your Telegram application. Then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this really fun and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix not receiving notifications on iPhone until I'll open app, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. So while on settings page, locate the application whose settings you want to be receiving on your iPhone without opening it. If you're using iOS 17 series or earlier, if you're using iOS 17, just go ahead and click on apps to have access to all the application you have installed on your iPhone. Now, click on the application whose notification you want to receive. Let's say you want to start receiving Facebook notifications without opening it. Open Facebook. If you want to start receiving Instagram notifications on your iPhone without opening the app, click on Instagram. Repeat the same thing for all the applications, including Messages, Messenger, and other applications like that. Then go ahead and click on the application. Once you click on it, click on Notifications. Now, turn on notifications for this app. Once you turn on notifications, choose the alert style. It could be lock screen, notification center, banner, or on the lock screen. Then scroll down and choose the notification preview, how you want to receive the notifications on your iPhone. Is it always when unlocked or never? Then if you choose always, this is going to always show the notification preview on your iPhone. When unlocked, this will only show the app notification preview or the message notification preview when you unlock your iPhone. Never will never show the notification previews on your iPhone. However, once you're done turning on all these notification features on your iPhone, you need to come back here and turn on background app refresh. So this, then go ahead and turn on background app refresh. If you fail to turn on background app refresh on the application, you will not be able to receive notifications until you open the application. However, if you are unable to enable background app refresh on the application here, just go back to the settings page. On the settings page, scroll down, click on general. Into general section, scroll down and click on background app refresh. Now scroll down and locate the application you want to receive notification from without opening. Then in this case, let's say Facebook. Just look for the Facebook application on this page and turn this on. Then once you enable that and the background app refresh for the Facebook application is enabled, you will now be able to receive notifications from the selected application without opening it. Now, to receive notifications from all the applications you have on your iPhone without opening it, all you just need to do is go back to your iPhone settings. On settings page, click on general. Then scroll down, click on background app refresh. Turn on background app refresh and make sure you turn on every background app refresh application you have on your iPhone. This might consume your iPhone battery, but once this is turned on your iPhone like this, and go back to the settings page or app page on iOS 18 and turn on notifications for the application, then you'll be able to receive notifications from any application you have on your iPhone without opening it. So this is how you can easily fix not receiving notifications on iPhone until I'll open app. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.